Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video I'll be discussing about some of the very important or hot topic these days is artificial intelligence testing or machine learning testing. What are its advantages and disadvantages if you use artificial intelligence that I'm going to discuss in this video. First we'll try to discuss what are its advantages. The main advantages of using artificial intelligence is by using artificial intelligence, definitely you can increase the speed and efficiency of our overall testing. That is the key if you use AI, because AI can handle very repetitive tasks very effectively, very efficiently, plus accurately as well if we adopt the AI testing in our project. By doing this way, where repetitive tasks can be handled by AI testing, that would help us, tester can focus time and effort in a more complex situations where high value testing is required. That is where the human effort, if it goes there, definitely we can bring a lot of value addition in our software testing. And the second advantages of using AI testing is improved test coverage as well. If you adopt AI testing, definitely we can do a lot of test coverage can happen, because it does evaluate all the previous coverage, and using the code also it will try to find out more test coverage aspects if you use AI mechanism. And the third advantage is which is gives lot of increased accuracy as well as reliability. We can easily reliable if you try to adopt the AI testing. By adopting this AI, definitely you can reduce the overall risk of missing issues, and also false positives also we can reduce as much as possible. And the fourth advantages is scalability is also a factor when we are trying to do a software testing. If we want to scale up to a large volume where we wanted to test for a complex application, higher volume application, definitely AI is a best bet for scalable perspective. Now we will discuss about what are some of the disadvantages of AI testing. One is lack of human judgment, because AI tools normally operates based on the learnings it adds. It is just learning based on the previous human learnings. Based on that only it is going to test it. That's why if you use AI for more repetitive tasks where human being already tested multiple times, and if you want to repeat same thing, may get lot of benefits there. Or if you wanted to do fresh testing where AI tool has to learn first, then after that if we try to allow it to execute, then definitely we can get more benefit than if you're trying to do AI testing in the beginning itself. And the second disadvantage of AI testing is, as we discussed earlier, AI normally performs based on the lesson it learned or data it learned. Based on that it will try to execute, because now all the time it will have a limited data it got trained. Based on that only it is going to execute our test cases. Next disadvantage is complexity. AI normally is very complex. We won't be knowing an idea like how it is going to test, what it is going to test, all those things, because AI will keep learning new things and it will trying to test. For human beings to understand, it is not very smooth aspect. And the security risk also very high if you're trying to bring AI testing, because it is very vulnerable for security risks such as data breaches may happen, hacking can happen, and which could compromise the overall integrity of the application or reliability of our overall test results as well. And lack of transparency is also one of the main disadvantages of AI testing. AI testing algorithms normally which is opaque and difficult to understand for human being, because this AI will be normally done using very big machines, not very easy for human brains to assess what is really happening when AI is growing. And in a conclusion, what we can say is definitely AI is going to add a lot of value addition to us if we're trying to bring in our testing. Wherever more repetition, more monotonous work is there, if we try to bring our AI testing into those areas, that would add more value, because all the monotonous repetitive jobs can easily be done by AI testing. Wherever high value work or high value human support is required, definitely we should use our human brains to test than AI testing. With this conclusion, I'm going to end up this video. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.